Welcome everyone, Mike with Bowers Barbecue coming to you today from my backyard. Now living in Texas, I have the luxury of having Mexican meat markets all around me. My favorite thing to get there is the fajita meat, absolutely amazing. I've always wondered what they put in their marinade, and I finally found a gentleman who shared that recipe with me, so that's what we're gonna do today. But first, we gotta start the fire. All right, let's season up the skirt steak. So here's the seasoning he told me to get. This is Fajitas Sazon Rojo by El Venado. I totally butchered that, but this stuff is golden, absolutely golden. So what we're gonna do is a light sprinkling. Not much, because we're gonna season more a little bit later. A little dust here. And that's good for now. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna marinate this in some pineapple juice. All right, so I have a plastic bag here, gallon Ziploc bag. We're gonna put the lightly seasoned skirt steak in the bag. Then we're taking some 100% pineapple juice. And we're gonna cover skirt steak in the juice. Perfect. Now this, you want to let marinate for a minimum of 4 hours. I personally, with the acidic of the pineapple juice, wouldn't go more than 8, but I've seen people go 24 with this. All right, we'll see you guys in about 4 hours. Okay, for today's cook, we're gonna use my PK grill. I've been asked a lot to do more PK videos, so this one's for y'all. Before we get this PK lit, I want to show y'all my new cooking Crocs. I don't know if y'all ever watched Phil and Florence before he passed away. He was always cooking in Crocs. These made me think of him. Sure do miss his videos. All right, so I had the PK set up here with the kick ash basket. Typically when I'm smoking, I have the charcoal over here and the meat over here. This time I'm grilling, since they're small cuts of skirt steak, I'm gonna grill on this side with the charcoal here as well, kind of limit the space there so I get more heat from that. Also on my kick ash basket, I actually leave the original charcoal grate in there. So you can see there's more cross lines here. This allows the lump to stay in there a lot longer if that was just a kick ash basket by itself. All right, let's get this thing started. All right, today I'm using B&B char logs, only because that's all I have. These are great for smoking. These are for grilling. Weber lighter cube. We're gonna let this ash over. In the meantime, we're gonna go season the meat. All right, so the meat's been marinating for just a little bit over 4 hours here. You see a lot of that seasoning came off, that's all right. All right, some more of our seasoning here. I'll actually put a link in the description where you can find this on Amazon. I definitely appreciate it if you use my affiliate links. It doesn't cost you a penny extra, but it really helps out the channel. This is also a good time, if you haven't already, to go ahead and hit that like button. That also helps as well. So as far as seasoning goes, you can do this as liberal as you like, totally up to you. I love this stuff, so I kind of put a lot on there. All right, we're gonna let this set until the grill gets hot. All right, this charcoal's ashed over pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of pieces of mesquite down in here. I think fajitas and mesquite, perfect together. Dump the whole chimney right there. Spread out a little bit. Looks good to me. Grill grate on. All right, while this warms up, let's go take a look at those fajitas. All right, these are seasoned up perfectly. Let's go get them on the grill. Okay, I don't think I told y'all, but I have all vents open up, 2 on top and the 2 on the bottom, so get this thing as hot as possible. Let's go ahead and put it on this steak. Feels pretty hot there. Now this steak has a really thin side, so I'm going to put the thick part over the coals, let this thin part stay over here so it doesn't get too hot. We'll flip this in about a minute. All right, let's see how it's looking. Looking pretty good char there. Same there. Come back in a minute. All right, it's been a little over a minute. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna move this over here, get a little bit more char. All right, I'm gonna test these in about another minute. All right, let's take a look. Decent char. That one needs to go a little bit more, I think. Let's test it out. About 146. Which these I go a little bit more than medium rare, 145. Not too bad. I'm gonna let this crisp up and take it inside. That one actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna take it up now. All right, let's take a look. You gonna help me out, Jack? That's pretty decent. Take this off. All right, let's go ahead and slice into these things. I always cut them in half because you want to go against the grain. Typically, you can see the grain going this way here. All right. Sorry, we had a little camera difficulties. This looks pretty awesome. All right, y'all, I apologize for that. My camera overheated for being outside next to the grill. Take a look at this. This looks absolutely amazing. So good. That was good, but I want to put a little lime on here. It'll make it even better. Let's try out some lime. Oh yeah, much better. All right, let's build a taco. All right, I like mine very simplistic. Do a base layer, smashed avocado. Just nothing but avocado, a little bit of sea salt and lime. A little drizzle of queso here. Some of that fajita. It's gonna be excellent. A little meaty. All right, let's dig in. Excellent looking taco. Guys, that is awesome. Pineapple juice tenderizes that skirt steak like you would not believe. It makes it so tender. The mesquite smoke is definitely the play on that. Unbelievable, unbelievable taco. And simple. Again, just pineapple juice and that seasoning. Link in the description below for that seasoning. Got to give it a try this summer. You're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You want to make sure you don't miss a single video. Ring that notification bell. I thank each and every one of you for being here. The fire is out.